What's up, guys? We're out here, same refuge again. We're hunting a little bit tiny different spot. It's like right behind the spot I hunted on the Saturday's hunt that you guys will see before this. You guys should have seen I was freaking flying out here. A bunch of people all around me, vultures everywhere trying to steal some spots, but we got in here. I hear a lot of birds flying above my head, but it's 20 minutes before shoot time, so that's usual. But hopefully we can get in here and get some ducks for you guys, so stay tuned. Look at that, baby. Look at that bull. We got 3 down, 1 in the bushes, 1 hen gadwall. Look at this bull spring. Look at it, bro. That's a stud bull spring. This is my first bull sprig of the season. So we need 4 more. So let's see if we can get them. Look at that. It's a stud. Here. Good boy. There you go. Oh, Mr. Drake Ringneck. Get a load of that guy, would you? I think they know when you have your limit. Those things, as soon as I shoot my sprig, they all just come on in. So we got 5 birds right now. I lost 1 of them, but we're doing pretty good. I might sit out here for another hour and see how it goes. It's been a while since the video you guys are gonna watch, but I think I ended up with a pintail, a gadwall, and 2 ringnecks, I believe. So 4 birds, and I lost a Drake gadwall. So I had 5. So that was I believe that was like November 1st. So it's only gonna get better from here. So like and subscribe, guys.